Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hachandra Arkan Komara from 9.1 and I want to explain about you material social. Culture of Indonesia, socio-cultural diversity in Indonesian society. Indonesia, a vast archipelago comprising more than 17,000 islands, contains a population numbering around 255 million people, a number that makes Indonesia the fourth most populous country in the world. This impressive number also implies that significant cultural, ethnic, religious, and linguistic diversity can expected to be found within its boundaries, ranging from the daily Hindu rituals practiced on the island of Bali to the prevalence of Islamic Sharia law in Aceh or Sumatra, the semi-nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle of the Mentawai people. Moreover, before a national framework was laid upon them, the various regions experienced separate political and economic histories, which still show in the current regional dynamics. Indonesia national motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika refers to the variety in the country internal composition, but also indicates that despite all the difference, it is multicultural society. There is a true sense of unity among the people of Indonesia. Indonesia cultures are very different from Western cultures as there exists a difference in experience, belief systems, hierarchies, religions, motion of time, spatial relation, and much more. Moreover, within Indonesia itself, there exists a multitude of different cultures. This makes Indonesia a complex country, and therefore an interesting country. In this section, we teach some do's and don'ts for successful and efficient participation. The politics section contains a detailed overview of Indonesia political history stretching from the pre-colonial period when Indonesia can be labeled a fragmented patchwork of indigenous states to the long colonial period when the archipelago gradually transformed into a political unity. The independent Sukarno government in which politics dominated while economic policy took a backseat. The prologue rule of Suharto, new author, which was criticized by a strong central government but weak civil society, and lastly the current era of reformation. The emergence of Indonesia integrated national economy was not a quick, natural process but rather a long artificial one, shaped largely by pressure from foreign oppressors and the culminated in the central state of Suharto New Order regime. The section covers the present state structure of Indonesia economic and discuss a number of important chapters in its economic history, such as the Asian financial crisis in the late 1990s. Religion plays an important role within Indonesian society and in the daily life of the people. Indonesia is the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, but it also contains millions of people that adhere to other main world religions as well as more traditional animist belief systems. This section gives a description of the main religion in Indonesia, to wit Islam, Christianity, include Catholicism, Hinduism, and Buddhism. It gives a historic framework and describes the current role of religion in the country. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.